In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your Shopify store on Showit. By the end, you'll be able to add fully functional Shopify products or collections directly into your Showit pages using Shopify's Buy button feature. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Apps section and click on it. In the search bar, type Buy button. If you already have the Buy button app installed, you'll see it there and can open it. If you don't see it, select the Shopify Buy button app and follow the prompt to install it. It's a free sales channel from Shopify, and it's what allows us to embed products on other websites. Once the Buy button app is installed, you'll notice it under Sales Channels in the left-hand menu. Click on Sales Channels, then choose Buy button. On that screen, look for the option that says Create a Buy button and click it. Shopify will now ask what type of button you want to create. You can choose a product buy button if you want to embed a single product, or a collection buy button if you want to show a group of products. Pick the option that fits your needs, then select the specific product or collection you want to feature. You'll be taken to a customization page. Here you can adjust the layout style, the action that happens when someone clicks the button, the appearance of the button itself, and how the shopping cart will look and behave. Take a moment to make it match your brand and your Showit design as closely as possible. When you're happy with the preview, click Next in the top right corner and then choose Copy Code. This copies the embed code to your clipboard, and this is what we'll paste into Showit. Now, switch over to your Showit designer and open the site you want to edit. Go to the specific page where you'd like your Shopify product or collection to appear. In the left panel, select the canvas or section where you want the embed to live, so Showit knows exactly where to place it. At the bottom of the Showit interface, click Add Element, then choose the Embed Code option. An empty embed box will appear on your canvas. Click on that box to select it. On the right-hand side in the Settings panel, look for the Custom Code area. Click into the blank text field there, then choose Edit Custom Code. A pop-up window will open. Paste the Shopify Buy button code you copied earlier into this window and save or apply the changes. Back on your canvas, you'll see the Embed box. Use the handles on the corners to resize it. Make it tall enough and wide enough to comfortably display your chosen layout. The dimensions of this box control how your Shopify product or collection appears inside your Showit design. Position it exactly where you want it on the page, and once you're done, you can preview your site to make sure everything looks and functions the way you expect.